Hi, in this video we'll be talking about three methods which we can use to check whether a given string contains only a specific type of characters, like only letters, digits, or white spaces. The methods are isalnum, isalpha, and isspace. The method isalnum checks whether the string contains only alphanumeric characters. If so, it returns true. If there is at least one non-alphanumeric character, or if the string is empty, it returns false. Have a look. Text equals, here we have a string. It contains only letters and digits. So, text isalnum should return true. And so it does. Now, have a look at this text. Some whitespace, underscore whitespace characters, and so on. Now, here we also have other characters, not just alphanumeric characters. So, text isalnum returns false. How about an empty string? Text isalnum false. Okay. The next method we'll be talking about is isalpha. Isalpha returns true if the string is not empty and contains only alphabetic characters. So have a look. Please help isalpha. Well, this returns false because there's also a space over here, not just alphabetic characters. How about this? Help isalpha. True. Here we have only alphabetic characters. Finally, let's briefly talk about the isspace method. Isspace returns true if the string contains only whitespace characters, so spaces, new lines, tabs. Let's start with this. An empty string, isspace. Well, this returns false, because here we don't have any whitespace characters. We don't have any characters at all. How about this? Whitespace, isspace. Well, this returns true. How about this? You have a lot of whitespace characters, so this returns true because there are only whitespace characters. How about a new line character? Whitespace and a new line character, isspace, and this also returns true. Or we can have an empty space, tab, tab, empty space, new line, for example, isspace, and this returns true because in this string we have only whitespace characters. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.